Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by anchoring daytime cues. Get 20 to 30 minutes of bright light within 30 minutes of waking so your circadian clock resets. Once done, fix your wake time daily. Small shifts of 15 to 30 minutes move your chronotype gradually and reliably. Also, cut caffeine after 2 p.m. and stop blue light exposure 60 to 90 minutes before your target bedtime, because light and stimulants directly oppose sleep phase shifts and weaken the phase advance or delay you're trying to build. You now execute the phase shift. Change bedtime in 15 to 30 minute steps every 3 to 7 days so your body adapts without rebound sleep loss. Make physical activity a daytime anchor. Exercise 4 to 6 hours before bedtime to boost sleep pressure. Avoid intense workouts close to sleep because they delay onset. If progress stalls, consider low-dose melatonin 1 to 2 hours before your goal bedtime. Timed doses mimic the biological signal that helps move circadian timing. You finish by consolidating. Maintain that fixed wake time for at least 2 weeks so your circadian system locks into the new schedule. Once stable, fine-tune light exposure, exercise timing, and melatonin based on a sleep diary or tracker to optimize sleep efficiency. If things go wrong, if you feel excessive daytime sleepiness or no shift occurs, pause melatonin adjustments and consult a clinician to rule out sleep disorders, because untreated medical issues will block meaningful chronotype change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.